In this video, we'll walk you through the process of cleaning chair fabric effectively. Chairs are often exposed to spills, dust, and daily wear, which can make the fabric look dirty and dull over time. With the right techniques, you can restore your chair's upholstery and keep it looking fresh. Let's get started. To clean your chair fabric, you'll need a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment, a mild detergent or fabric cleaner, a spray bottle, a soft-bristled brush or sponge, a clean microfiber cloth, and a small bowl of water. If your chair has tough stains, consider using a specialized upholstery stain remover. Start by vacuuming the chair fabric thoroughly using the upholstery attachment on your vacuum cleaner. Focus on seams, crevices, and any areas that collect dirt and crumbs. This removes surface dust and debris, making the cleaning process more effective. Regular vacuuming also prevents dirt from embedding deeper into the fabric. For stains, mix a small amount of mild detergent with water to create a soapy solution. Dip a soft bristled brush or sponge into the solution and gently dab the stained area. Avoid rubbing, as this can push the stain deeper into the fabric or damage the fibers. For tougher stains, apply a small amount of upholstery cleaner or stain remover according to the product's instructions. Once the stains are treated, fill a spray bottle with water and a small amount of mild detergent or upholstery cleaner. Lightly spray the fabric to ensure even coverage, but avoid soaking the material. Use a soft bristled brush or sponge to scrub the fabric in circular motions, working in small sections. This helps lift dirt and grime from the fibers without oversaturating the material. After cleaning, dampen a microfiber cloth with clean water and wipe down the fabric to remove any soap residue. Be sure to wring out the cloth to avoid adding excess moisture. Once you've wiped down the entire chair, use a dry microfiber cloth to absorb any remaining water. Let the chair air dry completely in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight, which can fade the fabric. Once the chair fabric is completely dry, use your hands to gently fluff the material, restoring its texture and softness. If the fabric looks slightly wrinkled, you can use a fabric steamer on a low setting to smooth it out. To keep your chair fabric looking fresh, vacuum it regularly to prevent dirt buildup. Clean up spills as soon as they occur to avoid staining, and consider using a fabric protector spray to repel stains and liquids. With regular maintenance, your chair fabric will stay clean and last longer. Cleaning chair fabric doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple steps, you can restore the look and feel of your chairs and keep them in excellent condition. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home care tips and cleaning guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.